Athlete ready?
Yep.
Go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Ground Barbell Club. Today we are back with another video, but this video is a training video. If you guys know our split, we usually do one strongman movement for our conditioning, and on this week we are doing farmer walks. I will make a separate video why you should be doing farmer walk because there are many benefits. For us, there are mainly two reasons. Number one is that you get a strong grip, which really helps you when you are doing deadlifts. And the second thing is you get a huge traps. In today's training split, we are doing 4 sets of 200 feet run with only 100 pounds in each hand.
Come on. Athlete ready?
Yep.
Go.
As this is a conditioning workout, we are using very less weight, only like 100 pounds per hand. And we are trying to ensure that we are covering maximum distance so that we can run with this weight for a long time. So today it's like 200 feet. And if you're wondering what type of these farmer handles are called compact farmer handles. They are by the company Synergee. We have done a review on the channel if you want to check it out. You can use the code BBC15 to save 15% on your purchases. Also, if you are wondering what our neighbor thinks, they think we are crazy, but they also think we are getting stronger. Anyway, this is my last set.
Athlete ready?
Yep.
Go.
If you liked today's video, make sure to let us know in the comments so that we can bring more raw videos like this in the future. I know you guys have asked for the training update. We will bring that video soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. And till next video, be strong, stay safe.